Hi and welcome to this Audio Direct presentation for an absolutely stunning Maserati GT Gran Turismo. As you can see, this car is presented in immaculate condition and its owner chose Audio Direct to do the audio install for it, and we are very glad that they did. Obviously it's a beauty and it's been done in an exceptionally tasteful manner. Anything that can be done to the vehicle has been done with the black emblems and the carbon fiber kit throughout. It really is a choice vehicle. The small boot lip spoiler and of course the Maserati styling from the factory really does step the vehicle out from these rare supercars that you do find on the road. Personality and pace, power and panache, says it all really. So we're going to give you a very brief tour as the owner is eagerly awaiting its Audio Direct installed vehicle. We're going to start off, well, showcasing the gorgeous black interior, but to show you what we've done in the boot, you've got, it's a bit hard to see here, so apologies, but you've got the Rockford Fosgate amplifier and the custom box with the JL sound system. We will get you some pictures with a flash on of the amplifier, don't worry about that. Its job is to stay hidden, to be honest, and just produce those sounds. You've got the JL audio speakers that have been upgraded both in the front and in the rear as well. I mean, yes, you buy this car for its engine note, but once in a while you do want to crank those tunes up, and now you really can do it. Jumping in this beauty, it's all carbon fiber and 𝗔𝗨𝗗𝗜𝗥𝗘𝗖𝗧 up, so that engine note really does sing to you, to be honest. We're going to have to be careful about putting the audio up. We don't want to disturb the neighbours, and especially because we're not too far from Fajr time namaz. So as you can see, we've still got the original factory interface here, but it just doesn't give you much connectivity and entertainment. There's actually a little button here that when you press it switches to the aftermarket interface, which you can see there pops up instantly. Nice covert tucked away, and you've also got this remote control that you can flick through lots of the functions and features. We flick through to just video. We're going to give you a short demonstration of the audio. We don't really want to crank this thing up to full sound. You can see the pointer there, and when you click through you can just scroll through your audio as well. Let's pick a good tune according to me. Rick Ross, Aston Martin music will always bring out the best of any car audio, so that will just give you we're going to crank this up just for a quick second, just so that we don't infringe much copyright, hopefully, and as well as that, don't disturb the neighbors. So just an impression of the Audio Direct install that we've done on this car and the audio capabilities it's now displaying.